What happens to your toenail when it falls off and how to care. Losing a toenail can be surprising and painful, but what actually happens underneath and how you treat it can speed up healing and prevent infection. Toenails usually fall off because of trauma like stubbing your toe, fungal infections, or even tight shoes causing pressure. When the nail detaches, it exposes the nail bed, which is sensitive and prone to infection. But the good news is your body starts to heal immediately, forming new skin and preparing for new nail growth. This process can take weeks to months depending on your health and age. Once your toenail falls off, the nail matrix under the skin starts producing new nail cells. This new nail grows slowly, about 1 to 2 millimeters per month. It can take up to 6 months or even a year for a toenail to fully regrow. During this time, the exposed nail bed is vulnerable, so protecting it from trauma and infection is crucial to healthy nail regrowth. Proper toenail care after it falls off is key to avoiding complications. Clean the toe gently with warm water daily, then dry it thoroughly. Apply an antibiotic ointment and cover it with a sterile bandage to protect it. Avoid tight-fitting shoes or activities that may injure the toe further. Check regularly for signs of infection like increased redness, swelling, or pus. If you notice any of these, see a doctor immediately. While most toenails that fall off heal well with basic care, some situations require medical attention. If you have severe pain, heavy or continuous bleeding, or signs of infection like pus, fever, or spreading redness, see a healthcare professional. They can provide treatments such as antibiotics or wound care to prevent further damage and speed up recovery. Losing a toenail might seem scary, but understanding what happens and how to care for it can make all the difference. Your body is designed to heal and regrow that nail if you protect it properly. For daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and stay curious.